carry a Qi ball, to open and expand and build a field of energy around you. And what you can do is you can hold your two hands here. Sometimes it helps if you rub your hands a little bit together to build up the charge there. And you hold. Hey everybody, it's Gabe Crane with Wovenwings, and today I want to make a basic video about Qi Gong for beginners. And so a lot of folks are interested in this, and as I'm working with clients, whether counseling or coaching, all the different worlds that I move in, I always come back to this process of Qi, this relationship of ourselves with our life force energy, and the practice of qigong that can help us to get in touch with that energy. Now, as many people maybe experience qigong in popular culture, you think of Tai Chi, you think of these slow-moving movements, these graceful movements, and that all is part of qigong. Today, what I want to focus on is giving you a felt sense understanding of what Qi is and how it actually works in relationship to our consciousness. So outside of what the movement looks like or the image that it creates, to actually get the internal feeling of Qi and the unification process that it creates with your consciousness, because that's really what drives successful Qigong practice to begin with. So in general, in Qigong, we're looking at moving from the external to the internal. We're usually using our awareness and our life force energy, our Qi, to do so many things in the external world. We need to go to work. We need to talk to people. We need to have this interaction or look at this thing on our phone. Part of the first thing that we're doing, really in any mindfulness practice, but Qigong is one of those, is we're taking our awareness and we're moving it back inside. And this connects with one of the core principles in Qi theory, which is that Qi, our life force energy, follows Shen, our consciousness, or we could say it colloquially, where attention goes, energy flows, right? So if my consciousness is always going outside in all these sorts of different directions, then my Qi is going to go outside. It's going to follow my awareness. And our sense organs naturally make us do this. My eyes are looking outward, my senses, my ears, my taste, everything is focused on processing the external world, which is all fine and good, but what we lose sight of, lose track of when that happens habitually is our connection with our internal source. And as we do that, if we make that change, we're able to begin gathering Qi. So the first thing I want you to try to do is close your eyes and take the opportunity to gather your awareness back to inside your body. Try to feel the space inside yourself. Feel the spaciousness inside you. You can feel your body touching whatever it's touching, your feet on the floor, your butt in a chair. Bring yourself present to yourself. And as you do, you may sense that there's a charge. That charge is one indication of your Qi. There's a charge in the space, an energetic quality, a feeling of electricity. That's your Qi. Okay, so you're going to bring your awareness back and try to relax. Try to relax and open up to the experience of that. This can be a little bit tough at first, so the movements of Qigong help us. One thing I want to show you today is just a simple practice or two with your hands. So the first thing is to carry a Qi ball, to open and expand and build a field of energy around you. And what you can do is you can hold your two hands here. Sometimes it helps if you rub your hands a little bit together to build up the charge there. And you hold a ball of energy between your hands and try to sense the space between your hands. And what you can do is then slowly open your hands a little more widely and then bring your hands back together a little more tightly. Okay, open your hands a little more widely and bring your hands a little more tightly together. And as I'm doing it, I can feel this sense of magnetism or charge between my hands. You might be able to feel that as well. Okay, you can feel and slowly expand. Now, the key point for today is really understanding this link between our consciousness and our energy. Okay, again, where attention goes, energy flows. And what we're trying to do in Qigong is to gather and refine our Qi, our energy. So when I send my hands out wider, imagine the Qi ball expanding. Imagine my awareness going out to the universe. And when I bring my hands closer together, imagine the Qi ball consolidating and the awareness coming to inside yourself. Okay, so you're moving the hands outside. You can also imagine these hands as Qi hands, as energy hands inside your body. Therefore, when I'm opening my hands, I'm opening all my energy and my consciousness out to the universe. When I draw my hands together, I'm bringing my consciousness and energy deep inside. Try it out. Open out to the universe. And bring the awareness back as you bring your hands together deep inside. Open out and feel the hands moving outside, but also inside your body. And as you come back, feel all the energy from the universe pour to deep inside. Okay, it's a simple practice, but it's amazing how powerful and good it can feel, how nourishing to open out and come back. When you complete a practice, whether it's something as simple as this or something more elaborate and complex, you can take your Qi that you've gathered, you can bring it down to your body. Here I'll place it on my chest so you can see, but another place you can place is on your belly. You think about dantian, which is your chakra or your energy center. We're going to gather our Qi back to us. So we open our hands out, take the hands, and gather them, you can place them in the middle of your chest, and allow the nourishment and the energy from your practice to go deep inside. Okay, this allows for the benefits of the practice to stick around for longer and begin to nourish you on a deeper level. Okay, so with that, these are just some simple tools that you can begin to start getting into this practice for yourself. And again, really, that quality, that feeling of Qi is what gives us a kind of grounding in what we're doing. But again, this is something that's nourishing us on the body, mind, and soul level. Our consciousness itself is made of Qi. The different thoughts and everything that you're feeling going around as you're listening to this practice and trying it out are all expressions of Qi and the patterns that you're habitually running without totally being aware of it in your day-to-day. And that has to do with so many things. So as we begin to refine our process, refine our self-understanding, build our awareness, our Qi can grow. The less disturbed and diffuse and externalized we are, the more centered and integrated and harmonized we can become with our Qi. Okay, and so that's a basic place to start. If you like, you can look and follow along for other Qigong videos on my channel to learn about this beautiful and profound art, which is really the basis, the foundation for developing holistic health. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. I hope you find this useful today, and I look forward to seeing you next time for some more helpful videos. Okay, good luck and enjoy your practice. I'll see you there.